case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1941, the Louisiana Court of Appeal heard the case of Barrett v. Barrett, which centered on the right to live in a house belonging to another without paying rent, so long as it met the needs of the individual and their family, and the right could not be transferred, leased, or given away. The case began when Ellen Barrett sued her nephew Rufus Barrett for breach of contract. The two jointly owned a property in Louisiana, but Rufus demolished the property to build a new house, and failed to provide Ellen with her agreed-upon use and habitation. Ellen sought to annul the legal instrument and regain full ownership of the property, along with $300 in damages. Although the district court rejected Ellen's demands, they upheld her right to use and habitation. Ellen, unhappy with the ruling, appealed the decision. Rufus maintained that the recorded deed proved the agreement and argued that he had fulfilled his obligations. The trial judge found that Rufus and his wife treated Ellen well, and Ellen's assertion that use and habitation implied exclusive use was unsupported by evidence. Ultimately, the Louisiana Court of Appeal held that Ellen's demands for damages and annulment were unwarranted, as Rufus had met his contractual obligations. The court ruled that Ellen's rights were sufficient under the circumstances, and her right to habitation did not include the exclusive use of the property. As a result, both the plaintiff's demands and the defendant's exceptions were deemed unnecessary.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.